Hello student, in this video we are going to learn about a CNC machine. Now a flow diagram of CNC machine is shown here. So what is meaning of actually CNC? A CNC stands for a computer operated numerical control or computer numerical control. So when computers are used to control a numerical control machine, then it is called as computer numerical control machine or CNC machine. What is numerical control? The machine which understand the language of zeros and one. So your input will be only in form of 0 or 1. That particular machine is called as numerical control. So you can use a computer to control this zeros and one machine or numerical control machine. Then it is called as CNC machine. So a lathe machine also you can control with the help of zeros and one. Milling machines also you can control. So this lathe machine, milling machine, it can be also called as a CNC machine. So it will called as a CNC lathe, CNC mill machines. So here you can see the flow diagram, different parts are there. So first very important part, input device. So you have to prepare a program in form of zeros and one, which can be understood by numerical control. So no other language can be understood by numerical control. Only you have to give program in terms of zeros and one. So input device, these are the devices which are used to input the part program in the CNC machine. So input devices which can be used to prepare a program in form of zeros and one. It may be a punch, tape reader, magnetic tape reader and computer, etc. These devices are used to control or to prepare a program. Then second very important part, a machine control unit. It is also called as MCU. Two devices are there in the MCU. One is a data processing unit and control loop unit. Now this MCU, it is generally a heart of CNC machine which performs all the controlling action. Whatever actions are performing in the CNC machine, it can be controlled with the help of MCU. So it is called as a heart of CNC machine. Then third is machine tool. So what is machine tool? You can see whatever part program is sent to the MCU, MCU will read that part program. It will understand the part program, how to give different motion to the cutting tool, and it will send it to the machine tool. So if you want to move the cutting tool in the X direction, Y direction, Z direction, how much to be move, how much centimeter, or how much to be a movement of cutting tool, work table, it can be understood by MCU with the help of a part program, with the help of data processing unit. Then that particular motions are sent to the machine tool, and machine tool will have a slide table, so on which your workpiece is placed, and it also have a spindle or cutting tool. So it will understand the different motions sent by the MCU, and it will perform that particular actions. Then driving system. The driving system of CNC machine consists of an amplifier circuit, drive motor. You want to move a spindle, you want to move a table. So to give that particular motion to spindle and table, there is a drive motor. Table you want to move, there is a lead screw to give motion to the table. So all these drive system will perform all the motions. Machine tool will understand a different motion, and that particular motion perform or that particular motion can be given by the drive system. Then machine tool will send a feedback. So how much motion or how much speed is there for cutting tool, how much motion has been done for the work table, and that particular feedback is given to the MCU. Again, as per your program, again MCU will send the signal to the MCU. MCU send the signal to the machine tool. The machine tool will send the feedback to the MCU. So this loop is continuously going on until and unless your total work is not finished. So here different working is given. So first the part program is inserted to the MCU. a program is given as an input to the MCU machine control unit of CNC machine. The MCU in the MCU all the data is processed. Data processing takes place according to the program prepared or program input given. It will prepare all the motions, commands, and that particular commands will be sending to the driving system. So driving system works as the motion commands provided by the MCU. Drive system controls the motions, velocity of table, velocity of tool or workpiece. Feedback system records all the positions, velocity measurement of the machine tool and send feedback to again MCU, or it will send the signal. So how much motion is performed by the machine tool and how much is the remaining. Then in MCU, feedback signals are compared with a reference signal. So at from the part program, how much motions are given and how much motions are completed. So if 50% signal, 50% motions are completed, 50% are left, then again MCU will send the signal to the machine tool. The machine tool will perform again the operations until and unless 100% motions are not completed. MCU will send the signal to the machine tool. MCU will send a signal. In MCU, the feedback signals are compared with the reference signal, and if there are errors, means if motions are not completed 100%, then it corrects it and send a new signal to the machine tool for the right operation to happen. Then on the display, you can see here on the computer display all the actions and all the motions are recorded, and you can see the live motions, how much is completed, how much is left. And when all the actions are completed, machine tool in last operation, machine tool will again send a signal to the MCU. MCU will record it, so it will understand 100% motions are completed. Then there will not be any further signal sent by the MCU to the machine tool. So that time your program will stop, or your motion, all the motion will stop, and your workpiece will be ready. So this is how the machine CNC machine works. So all the operations are totally controlled by the computer. So just where to input the program. Now there are different codes which are used to give as a input. That codes are generally called as G and M code. So in second or third year, you are going to learn about that G and M code. Right now, just remember G and M codes are used to understand or to prepare the program for the CNC machine. Thank you.